My name is Ryan O'Donnell, founder and CEO of Salty, and I'm going to do a mini-series here telling you a little bit more about Salty and some frequently asked questions that we get from consumers and customers often. Salty's vision statement is to produce and sell the best organic beverages on the planet without compromise while reaching all walks of life, enjoying the journey, and maintaining impeccable customer service. So that's a lot condensed into one small paragraph, just a few sentences on why we exist. And that's very important. The best organic beverages on the planet is a huge statement. You know, what we want to do is make sure we produce those. You notice we say produce because we don't only sell them, we actually make them. We have an FDA HACCP 20,000 square foot plant where all the beverages are made. It's an organic certified facility, and we take the utmost care and pride in producing the products that we sell. And when we say the best, we're not only talking about the liquid inside. We're also talking about the packaging. We're talking about the cap. We're talking about glass. We're talking about doing special things like putting our logo, embossing that on the bottom of the glass, having a package that's identifiable and truly salty through and through, having really a price point that's accessible to all walks of life. So there's a lot that goes into making the best organic beverages on the planet, and in this mini-series I'm going to elaborate on that and tell you why Salty is different, what features and benefits these beverages have for you and for the planet, and what you can expect from Salty in the future. So I'm going to go over some frequently asked questions that we get from consumers on a regular basis. If you have any additional questions, please send them in to our marketing team. You can reach them on Instagram via direct message. You can comment on this video or on our Instagram posts. You can send an email to hello@salty.com, and any questions that you send in, we'd be happy to help. We pride ourselves on transparency, and we believe the future of food and beverage is full transparency with 360-degree awareness of not only the liquid inside the product, but also the packaging, the manufacturing process, and the total ecosystem in which the company really touches.